Good morning, students. Let us start with the chapter 1, that is sets. In this chapter, students, I am going to tell you some important definitions. Here we will discuss how we will define the sets. So, students, a set is well defined collection of objects. I mean to say, while we say set, B say tea set, B say dinner set, means this is the perfect collection of the objects. So here in this chapter we will discuss there are two methods of representation of the sets. Number one is a roster and tabular form. So students, we will discuss roster or tabular form, or number two is set builder form. So here in the exercise 1.1, I am going to tell you here the question number 1 is which of the following are sets? Justify number 1 the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Now you know students, there is the month January, there is the month June, July, means we can, this is the, since the collection is well defined, we can define it, we having the month that start with the J. So therefore it is a set. Second part is the collection of 10 most talented writer in India. The collection is not well defined, right? Therefore it is not a set. Third part is a team of the 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. So it is also not well defined, because sometimes there is lot of changing is there. Every year, every 6 months there is the changing. So therefore we cannot define it, therefore it is not a set. Fourth part is the collection of all the boys in your class. The collection of all the boys in the class, that is well defined, because if we can say that in your class there are 20 boys are there, we can name them, we can give the name to those students. Therefore this is well defined collection, therefore it is known as the set. Fifth part is the collection of all the natural number less than 100. Now you know students, very easily we can say that how many numbers are there less than 100. So it is well defined, therefore it is a set. So always remember, those objects which are well defined, they are the sets. Sixth is a collection of the novel written by writer Munshi Premchand. This is also well defined students, because we know that whatever the novel that was written by the Munshi Premchand, so we can say that this is also a set. Seventh is the collection of all the 11 integers, well, that is, you know, first 11 integers, they are well defined, therefore it is also a set. Eighth is the collection of the question in this chapter. Yes, because we can say that in exercise 1 there are 10 questions, in exercise 2 there are 11 questions, it is well defined, therefore it is also a set students. Ninth is a collection of most dangerous animals in the world. It is not a set because it is not well defined. So this is your question number 1. Then students, let us come with question number 2, that is let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. This sign is the sign of belongs to students. This is belongs to or this is not belongs to in the space. We have to fill that there is the they belongs or they not belongs. So you can see here, first part is 5. You know 5 belongs to this set. It means 5 belongs to A. A is the set that is given to you. 8, you know 8 is not there any element, therefore it is do not belongs to A. Third is 0, that belongs to A, do not, because there is no 0 is there, so it does not belongs to A. Fourth is 4, you know belongs to A, yes it belongs to A. Fifth is 2 belongs to A, yes it belongs to A. There is sixth one is 10, that because 10 is not there, that does not belongs to A. Right students? Now here write the following sets into the roster form. Now here students, I want to tell you there, because I have told you that there are the two ways to write the set. Number 1 is the roster form, number 2 is the set builder form. So students, remember the roster form is all the element of a set are listed, the elements are being separated by the commas, are enclosed within the braces. Braces means bracket. So here, while they are enclosed inside the bracket, that is known as the roster form. Another example of the roster form is you can say all the vowels of the English alphabets, that is A, E, I, O, U. While we will write them inside the braces, we say that is the we can say that this is the roster form, students. Now second one is, that is very important, that is set builder form. All the elements of the set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. So here are some examples, students. While we have to say the vowels, here in the set builder form we will say that B is equal to X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Now I am going to make the use of this roster form here, students. So let us see, write the following sets in the roster form. First is A is equal to X such that X is an integer and minus 3 is less than X is less than 7. Now while we will write it into the roster form, students, so it will come as equal to, because X is less than minus 3 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6. It is less than 7 means up to 6. So this form, while we will write it inside the braces, this is known as the roster form, students. So let us come with the second part. B part is there, that is X such that X is the natural number less than 6. You know the natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inside the braces while we will write, they are known as that is the roster form, students. Third is C is equal to X such that X in the 2-digit natural number such that the sum of the 2 digit is 8. If we will say, student, this is the set builder form, and while we will write, because we have to find out their sum is 8, 1 plus 7, 1 7, 2 7, 3 5, 4 4, 5 8, 6 2, 7 1 and 8 0. If you will add them, their sum will come as equal to 8. Therefore we can say that this is the roster form then, students. Come with the fifth one is there. Fourth one is there, D is equal to X such that X is a prime number which is the divisor of 60. So here, you know, students, this is 2, 3 and 5. They are the divisor of 60. Therefore, these are in the form of the roster form, students. Fifth one is E is equal to the set of all the letters in the word trigonometry. Now, students, what we will do here, we write all the letters that we are using here in the trigonometry, but we will not repeat them. So this E, that is T R I G O N M E Y, because T is repeating again, R is repeating. So we will not repeat the words here. We will use the comma between them and we will write it inside the braces. And remember, student, this is that is the roster form, or that we can say tabular form. Then this is the way to represent them. Next one is sixth is F is equal to the set of all the elements in the letter that is better. Now, students, in the better we will write B, we will write E, we will write T, because T is repeating, we will not use it. E is also repeating, we will not use it, and R will come. So its roster form is B, comma E, comma this T and R. This answer will come then, students. After that, let us come with the question number 4. Write the following set into the set builder form. In the set builder form, students, here if this is given you as 3, 6, 9, 12, then remember, students, the answer is X such that X, that is 3n, because n belongs to natural number and 1 is less or equal to n is less than 4. So here, while you will use them here, we will put n natural number as 1, while we are taking n as equal to 1, then what you will say? It will come as equal to 3. While you will take it as 2, it will come as equal to 6. While you will take it as 3, it will come as equal to 9. While you will take it as equal to 4, it will come as equal to 12 then, students. So here the value will come up to 12 then, students. So next one is, its second part is there, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. If you will see, students, these are the square of 2. 2 its power is 1, 2 its power is 2, 2 its power is 3, 2 its power is 4, 2 its power is 5. Then this value will come. So we can say that X such that X, this is the way to write the set builder form, that X such that X is equal to 2 its power n, that is n belongs to n, and 1 is less or equal to n is less or equal to 5 here. Here we will also use the equal sign then, students. So this is the, you know, that is the set builder form. Then students, come with the third one, that is 5, 25, 125, 625. With the same that one, you know, x such that x 5 its power is n. We are taking the natural number up to 4. Then students, very clearly you can understand this question. Fourth is 2, 4, 6 and so on. X such that x that is equal to 2n, where n belongs to natural number. Here we are not making that one, that is the interval we are not using here, because there is, this is infinite. We don't know these are the even numbers, but it is infinite, so we cannot define. Therefore it is written as n belongs to n. Then students, next one is 149 up to 100, that is x such that x that is equal to n its power is 2. N belongs to capital N, means that belongs to natural number, and 1 is less or equal to n is less than 10. Then students, so this question number 5 is same, you try it yourself. Come with the question number 5. Then students, 6 is there. Match each of the following set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. So here this is given you as students, that is in the form of roster form. This is in the form of, that is given as in the set builder form. So we have to match them. 1, 2, 3, 6. We have to check 1, 2, 3, 6, that is equal here, that is equal to C, that is x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means that is x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Mathematics, very easily you can see, here is the mathematics word is there. Last one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that is equal to B, that tends to B, means x is an odd natural number less than 10. So very easily we can identify them. So these are very simple question, and 1 marks question students, and revise the definitions, then very easily you can understand this chapter.